So you guys have seen it in the background for the last few months, but now it is time to get into the new Zafiro that we've got for the channel. And yeah, it's going to be a car that everyone can rip on and enjoy. Get some international guys out to come and drive it. Right, so just a little bit of a backstory. This motor may look familiar because it is actually out of my S13. So this car, this motor has been through, this is its third car. It has been in my S13 when I got it, it's been in my 4-seater Zafiro, and now it is in Marsh's Zafiro. So this car is technically Marsh's, but I said, bro, use my running gear because we want to get it running as soon as we can. We've taken everything out of my car, put it into this. The wiring will work the same, the exhaust, the drive shaft, the rear end, the front end, the steering, everything is out of my Zafiro, so it should be all good to go. It's just a Series 2 25 det, built by Chicken at Airfine Turbo. He will be tuning it once we get it all sorted again. It just needs a bit of a refresh. It's just got a Garrett TA3410 Turbo, IMR intake and exhaust manifolds, which have been amazing, so yeah, shout out to Ryan. Yeah, Phoenix radiator, Phoenix intercooler, just kind of the standard RB things. I think it's got bigger injectors, Savage coils, just cheap coils. Yeah, the motor's been amazing. It's got a rear-wheel drive converted RB26 gearbox, so it's a four-wheel drive gearbox with the four-wheel drive part cut off it. And yeah, it's awesome. It's got a steel selector fork put in it, thanks to Casper Transmissions. Yeah, and it's just going to be a good car for Marsh to learn how to drive, Leo hopefully be able to learn how to drive in it, and then everyone else will just be able to kind of get in and rip on it. You know, Nick will be able to drive it, everyone, you know, so just a bit of fun for everyone to enjoy, and yeah, all of our brand partners to kind of get involved with, and then it's just going to be another car to the fleet. So yeah, we got this car because the cage could be homologated, whereas my Zafiro isn't and can't be because it's a 4-seater and it's done way wrong. So yeah, we got this car and we got it re-homologated. Just got a new logbook for it, so it's like good to go. So it can be used in competition around New Zealand, which is wicked. So yeah, just very basic cage. You know, it's a very old style. It's got the smaller hoop, smaller main hoop. But other than that, it's just like, it'll do what it needs to do, and yeah, it'll keep everyone safe. And then we'll just be able to, yeah, chuck a couple of bucket seats in it. We'll chuck a Thrash Garage grip royal steering wheel on it. I think we've got a dash for it maybe. Yeah, I think the dash out of my Zef is gonna go in this. And just kind of be kind of a budget build. You know, we don't want to blow heaps of money on it. And but it's going to be fine. It'll be perfect. It's got keto steering knuckles, just all those kind of things, adjustable arms and stuff. We'll hit up the team at Harkon and we'll get all the goodies in there. And yeah, it's just going to be a good time, really. You know, it's got a fuel cell in the back. It'll just run the same fuel system as my Zef used to. So everything is just going to be identical. So it should be good. That motor's good for 350 plus kilowatt. So yeah, it should be a real good car to drive, and yeah, a lot of fun. Anyway, job done.
You watch your fucking head.
Go on. Now, Marsh, you all good? Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Job done. Tonight is my last night in New Zealand. We're off to the States tomorrow night. So yeah, just down in the shed. Bit of an update for you guys, pretty much. We've got to take all these kenders that we didn't use at Matsuri. We're taking them back to 360 Link because I don't need them. And they're just taking up space here, so they might as well have them and sell them. And then we've also got the Laurel here, which the boys are going to be taking to Chrome. So that'll be pretty cool. Get them out there, go for some fun this weekend. So if you guys are in the area, Hampton Downs is where it's happening. It's Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so it should be good. Oh, Marsh, are you driving this weekend? Yeah. Oh. So the boys are going to get the Laurel ready, I think probably tomorrow night or something, and just kind of go over a few things. It doesn't need much, it should be fine. It was good last time we drove. Just have to check that fuel pump wiring, I think, from where it was cut from the boot cut. So yeah, things like that. Obviously, while I'm away, actually, the boys are going to be going hard on Marsh's car to get that done because, you need to learn how to drive. Yeah, maybe it's probably best he doesn't drive. But yeah, who knows? Well, but yeah, while I'm away, the guys are going to carry on filming and kind of hopefully, getting some footage of everything that's going to be happening with this car because it needs to be going in like a month. So I expect that by the time I get back,
give us a week.
We get to do a shed skid or something. No, not a shed skid, driveway skid, because we don't want to do skids or anything. So, whatever. What, in the Cresta? Look, Marsh has got some wheels on the Cresta. It's still high as, but that's alright. Ty wouldn't be very happy with this. Look at this.
Need some cement bags in the back.
Goodness me, Marsh, sort it out. Need to get some Harcons in this baby. But yeah, that's coming along as well. He spent the good part of 3 days changing the door. Nah, it took him like a day. But yeah, the door, he's changing all of the doors because all of the white doors are rusty. So he's going to change them all and then he'll paint the whole car. So heaps going on with that. Yeah, it's like real bad along the bottom. So he's got that going on. Right, the workshop's turned into Marsh's workshop at the moment. Pretty much runs the show, this guy. Look at him. It's not how you drive your car, it's how you stand by it. Look at him. Lush. But yeah, so we're going to change the turbo back to the other one. Probably turn over the power steering belt there, pal. That might help. That's the new way to run it.
Basically gives you an Astra pump if you run it.
Yeah, Astra pump, the old in and out. Yeah, sometimes works, sometimes does not. I know those feels. Yeah, they're great. But yeah, so this car needs like a lot of work, but then kind of not. I don't know. Everything's on the benches over there, and everything is out of my SEF, so it should kind of work and go in. Get some seats in it. Sort out a different handbrake because that one's just Or do you want to keep that one? Because it's already there.
So when I go for a waft, they won't even know.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, waft. Yeah, okay. So it's got the Link plug and play D4 Plus in there. Yeah, shush you. So yeah, we got they got to cut the guards off and heaps of things that he just needs to, I don't know, work on and do. Look, they've started on this side. It's pretty bad. It was like bogged up to shit. But that's alright. That's great. You're gonna be great. Look, the roof's so much better than it was when we got it. So yeah, you did all of that. Yeah, right. But yeah, pretty much I'm gonna be leaving you guys with the boys while I'm away. I will be doing my best to vlog over there. But yeah, and I'm just gonna be sending all my footage back to Leo, and then he's gonna be kind of doing all the hard yards and having to edit it all, because yeah, I just want to make the most of everything that we've got going on over there. Yeah, I will film as much as I can, and hopefully we get to drive a couple of times and just see heaps of cool things. Yeah, I'm like way too excited. I like leave in like 24 hours. So yeah, we're gonna be at the airport in the terminal in 24 hours. So yeah, by the time you guys see this, yeah, I'll be at the airport And just, yeah, gonna be super excited. It's crazy. So yeah, we've got to pretty much just load up the van, get those kenders so they can just go back to 360 link, and yeah, we can kind of, the boys are going to get into this tomorrow night hopefully, which will be, yeah, it's got the rims are, I think the front rims are cracked or something from running ripple strips, because the front wheels seem to go flat every now and then, so just heaps of things like that. But the car's good, everything's great. This car's obviously got no diff in it and it's just parked up for a while, but yeah, still got a few sets of wheels. The boys might take these and just put them on the Laurel, maybe, just to yeah, do some cruise sessions and stuff and have a little bit more grip than the old 235s. But yeah, it's all fun and games. Alright guys, the camera died, so that's a good sign to say we need to go home. I've got some packing to do. It's time to get over to the States. I'm really excited to get over there. It's going to be an amazing time, you know. Myself and Steph are really looking forward to it, so yeah, can't wait to show you guys what we're going to get up to. But so yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you guys stay tuned for what's going on with this car. These boys are going to have a good time. And also make sure you guys do head to Chrome this weekend and go see the team. The boys are going to be over there driving Steph's Laurel. Yeah, it's going to be fun. So yeah, thanks heaps guys. We'll make sure you guys please do like, comment and subscribe. We're nearly at 10K and we'll see you guys on the next one.